how to cook perfect rice every time. In this video, I'll be using Kirkland's signature Tahi Hom Jasmine rice and the Tiger rice cooker, both available at Costco. This rice is an excellent choice for everyday use, as it can be used to create a variety of delicious dishes. Here are my cooking instructions for making perfect rice every time. I usually cook 2 cups of raw rice, which yields about 6 cups of cooked rice. To start, rinse the rice thoroughly with water twice, then add 3½ cups of water. I also include a pinch of salt and a bit of butter, although both ingredients are optional. Since I prefer my rice a bit softer, I use a non-stick Tiger rice cooker and set the timer for 60 minutes. After the cooking is complete, I let the rice rest for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. It always turns out perfectly for me. If you prefer to use a stainless steel rice cooker, consider rubbing butter on the inside before adding the rice and water. This helps prevent the rice grains from sticking to the sides, making it easier to clean the pot afterward. I enjoy this rice with a variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. I also use it to make fried rice, Mexican rice arroz, mango sticky rice, and California roll sushi. Kirkland Tahi Hom Jasmine rice is perfect for everyday meals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content and stay updated on the latest Costco grocery shopping cart.